street of the house in which she stayed. Almost diaries full of her name on every page. Cause I read to make you fall in love.
Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I am basically doing an updated or a current updates video of my apartment. I am basically going to be showing you guys the new pieces that I've been accumulating over the last couple of months. This is not a tour but just an update. Okay, so when you enter the apartment, before I didn't have that clock, but now I have a clock, and I decided to switch the shoe rack, so I put this there for now. And then on my working station, I did add a few pieces and tried to keep it very simple for the most part, even though it looks like it's cluttered, but I know what's going on. So here I have my work stuff and my banking stuff, and in that is it a vase? I don't know. And inside there, that's where I keep my jewelry, the ones that I use every day, as well as my keys. And then I have my notebook, and then I also have my candles, I have my perfumes, my makeup. These are things that I use almost every day. And then I have my mannequin head. And then here I like to put my equipment in that what's this thing? I cannot close that, so I don't know what happened, but there I put my handbags. I put extra handbags and sunglasses, and then extra jewelry as well as extra makeup there. And then I added a few things in my apartment. I added that rug. I wanted to put it inside my bathroom, but for now I thought it's okay there because I do use the chair and the table. And I did get a new rug. It's bigger and it's darker. I wanted this space to really have different textures and colors, mainly darker colors. So I did spill some bleach the other day there. And then I did manage to work on my wall, added my family members and my couch. I did put this pillow or cushion, and I added an extra pillowcase from the bedding so it matches my bedding. And then let's move over to this side. So for this side I did add a few pieces. I got a new decoder from my landlady, and then I got these from Daiso. I DIY'd my vase from IKEA. I got this one and this from Daiso, and then I forgot the shop where I got the diffuser from. And then I got some candles. This candle is so cute, it smells so good. And then I decided I'm gonna put that there for now. I am going to get new stuff probably when I move to another apartment. I haven't made up my mind yet, but that's been something I've been thinking about a lot lately. And then I have this fake plants that I got from IKEA. And then I remember I posted on my IG for you guys to help me decide on the pot plant as well as the stand. So I have candles. They were on special and I got them, but I'm not gonna light them. They're just going to be for decor purposes for now. And then I decided to put this. These come separate. These two, they came separate, but I decided to put them so that it can add that element of, you know, color and break down the black. And then for my bed, okay, no, before my bed, I added a lamp. This lamp I really like. I got it from IKEA. It sets the mood, and if I do not want to, you know, move around the apartment trying to switch off all my lights, because I'm very sensitive to lights, hence I got this. So I really like it. It was affordable. It was on special, I think. And then I got this mirror. Initially it was silver, but then I dyed it black or spray painted it black. But I don't think I did a good job, but it works. It doesn't bother me. And then my bed, I need something to put there so I can put my pills as well as my hand cream inside. So there's nothing much happening with my bedding. I'm not mad either because my bedding is going to be my last project, which is something that I'm going to be doing in the next few weeks. Plus, if I will be moving, then I'm not sure if I want to do the bedding now or after I move. So I'll see. But anyway, I do have a plan for that. And then I got a new dehumidifier. This one, I do not share it with my floor mates. There was drama with that. But anyway, it's very nice. Thanks to my landlady, since I have a very small apartment, this comes in very handy. It's eco-friendly, it saves up on electricity as well, so I like that for myself. Now moving on to my bathroom, there hasn't been much change actually. So I did change my shower curtain, and then I did add my loofah as well as my foot scrub. I did decide to put some products over there, even though I wanted like a shelf somewhere there. I did find one, but I'm not sure if I'm going to need to put that there anymore. I'm not sure actually. And then yeah, I used to have a holder there for toilet paper and stuff, but then it kept on falling off, so I decided to put it away. And then sometimes I like to light up my candle to set up the mood, and then I just added some flower plants there, and then I added a few pieces, especially that to put on my soap that I use almost all the time. And then I still have the same mats or the same rug here in my bathroom. Okay, moving over to the side, I did add this rack. I think it's smaller, it's nicer, and then that's where I put the other thing. And then guys, I don't know what to say. For now it's fine like that. So I did put this rack, and it's just to hold all my products. If you didn't know, I'm very big on having products. I am a product collector. I have products for skin, hair, body, I just love to have as much products as I would need. So now let's move on to the next part of the apartment, which is this area. So on this part of the apartment, I did add the other rug to the side because I feel like it was smaller, and you see the color, so I wanted to break the contrast on the other side, but I think it fits here because now the winter season is approaching, and of course I'm wearing my socks because in this household we do not wear shoes indoors. Right, so I still have my rack with my all black clothes on display, and I decided to put my luggage there because I really don't know where to put it right now. And then I did get a few new shoes, but anyway, those shoes are there on display for now. I only wear them when I'm going out. And then this side I still have my closets, yeah, and then that area that I'm not gonna talk about, I need to get rid of these luggages. They are both broken, so I need to get rid of them when I move. And inside I did add some storage boxes. If you did watch some of my previous videos, you would know I've been doing a lot of IKEA errands, so I do have those, and I'm not going to open my closets obviously. Okay, let's move on to this part of the apartment. A few appliances. I actually got an air fryer and a smoothie maker or a blender, and then I did get this mat, because sometimes things spill on my fridge. And then there is my tiny fridge, and then also another addition was this rack that helped me a lot. So this is where I basically store my cutlery, things that I need. It's okay, it works for now. I'm not even bothered actually. I mean, it's fine. And then here I have this Iyashi. When I do my laundry, that's where I put it. And then there I had my broom and my mop. They are red. I had no option, but I'm going to probably spray paint them black sometime when I make time. And then I have my feather duster there. And then on that area I have my dustbin or trash bin, and then I have my recycling bag, and then I still have, guys, the vibes. Oh my god, I don't even have a proper kitchen, which is one of the reasons why. It's actually not one of the reasons why I want to move, but obviously moving into a space or an apartment that has a proper kitchen would be very helpful. And I have these chopping boards. The wooden one was molding, so I threw it away, and then I still have my soap dispenser, as well as my brush to wash my dishes, as well as a holder just to make sure that they are put together. This, it's just for aesthetics, to be honest. And then I have that to put a stopper, as well as the sponge. And then underneath I just have my products, cleaning products, plastic bags and extra IKEA bags. And then I have extra products, body lotion, toothpaste, body wash, all the vibe, the nice stuff. So that's basically the end of my apartment, and not apartment tour, I almost said apartment tour. So let me just quickly do a montage so that you guys can see the vibes.